Kypseli, located in central Athens, is one of the most densely populated districts in Europe. Defined by concrete streets and a compressed urban landscape, it offers minimal access to green spaces, particularly for the neighborhood's most vulnerable citizens. Green Kypseli is a grassroots citizen collective working to make the center of Athens greener, cooler, and more equitable. We bring together residents, local organizations, and policymakers to bridge community needs with urban decision-making and green education and action. In 2024, we carried out citizen-led mapping using the 330-300 rule for urban green. The findings were clear. Kypseli's dense concrete landscape, limited parks, and rising heat affect thousands of residents. The mapping also revealed unused and neglected plots that could become new green spaces. To turn this research into action, we're now working to bring more green to the concrete streets of Athens by creating the Green Kypseli Community Garden, the first in the heart of the city, shaped with the people who live there. The creation of the garden is becoming an open learning hub where residents explore nature, gardening, and urban ecology. Circular economy principles guide the development. Through plant propagation workshops, plant and seed swapping, neighbors and young people gather plant material for the garden. Through investigating private land ownership and establishing a collaboration with the city of Athens, we have identified several future garden sites that are now beginning to take shape as green hubs across the neighborhood. Amid the concrete of Kypseli, these gardening moments matter. By touching the soil, planting together, and seeing green emerge through their own efforts, citizens reclaim a sense of agency and closeness to nature. What begins as simple gardening becomes a powerful act of community care and shared hope. Citizens also contribute to community-based research, documenting how new green spaces influence their daily lives and well-being. The results will be presented in the coming months to the municipality and the wider community. Projects supported by the Impetus Accelerator Program and the European Union.